Hello everyone, and this is my Thomas the Train collection. Thomas, Lady, Stanley, Splatter, Donald, Douglas, Bill, Emily, Bertram, Flynn, Molly, Hank, Duke, Diesel 10, Duncan, Neville, Spencer, James, Rocky, Gordon, Jack, Flora, Annie, Toby, Percy, Whiff, Salty, Dennis, Stepney, Scar, Pro, Ren, Dodge, Freddy, Charlie, Billy, Sir Handle, Rosie, Duck, Victor, Diesel, Hyro, Ned, Rusty, Harold. I also have Remote Thomas, Remote Percy, Cranky, and we can't forget Piggy. There are my trucks and cars, friends, and some die-cast trains as well. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for Thomas and Friends.